Hi, my name is Helen Baker, and I currently work for a nonprofit as a health educator, but I also work as a labor and postpartum doula in the greater Chicago area. I've spent most of my career in education. So, that being said, in my role as both doula and educator, I have encountered many individuals with current mental health diagnoses, as well as those who were needing some type of evaluation or intervention, or were in the process of receiving mental health diagnoses. I don't currently, or haven't ever actually worked in a position that would allow me to make formal mental health diagnoses, but I have been in a position to recommend both students as well as doula clients for further evaluation and diagnoses. How I typically feel about mental health diagnoses today, I do believe that though many things go untreated or undiagnosed, I also believe that we have certainly seen in the last 10 years an overtreatment and a propensity to overdiagnose mental health conditions. I also have seen and believe that there is distinct inequity, not just in our healthcare system, but in particular in the rate of diagnoses between certain demographics, or the lack thereof. So I'm certainly looking forward to starting this part of the process in this MSW program. I look forward to learning alongside, as well as from all of you, in addition to the content of the coursework. And I look forward to meeting more of you in a closer capacity when we start our group project. So thank you, and look forward to working with you.